Volkswagen commercial vehicles and Volkswagen passenger cars have done it again. Their new addition, the ID. Buzz Cargo, is a zero-emission vehicle that is not only extremely advanced but also incredibly sustainable. This iconic electric van transfers the design of one of the greatest automobile icons, the T1, to the era of electric mobility. Let's break down all this vehicle has to offer. Volkswagen commercial vehicles and Volkswagen passenger cars not only wanted to create a great electric vehicle but also one that was made with sustainability in mind. To achieve this goal, they manufactured the ID. Buzz Cargo with a carbon-neutral footprint, a first for a van range. Additionally, they used recycled materials whenever possible and even opted to not use real leather in the interior, making it one of the most sustainable vehicles on the market today. Of course, no vehicle would be complete without performance features worth noting. The ID. Buzz Cargo is powered by an all-electric powertrain that provides drivers with up to 260 miles of range on a single charge, perfect for those long drives or out-of-town trips you may have planned. It also has an impressive acceleration time of 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 6 seconds thanks to its powerful motor system, making it a great choice for those looking for something fast yet efficient at the same time. Volkswagen is releasing two new electric vehicles this autumn, the ID. Buzz and the ID. Buzz Cargo. Both models are based on the MEB platform, with a 77 kWh battery providing current to a 150 kW electric motor that drives the rear axle. With AC charging at 11 kW, the battery charge level rises from 5 to 80% in about 30 minutes. However, with DC quick charging via a CCS plug connector at a DC quick charging station, charging power increases to as much as 170 kW.